In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order on Shopee using cash on delivery, COD. This is a fantastic option for those who prefer to pay for their purchases in cash at the moment of delivery. It's a simple process and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can shop with ease and confidence. First off, navigate to Shopee Philippines. This is important because Shopee operates in various countries and you'll want to make sure you're shopping within the Philippines platform to access the COD option. Once you're on the Shopee homepage, the next thing you'll do is log into your account. Look for the login button, typically found at the top of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you for your credentials. For a smoother login process, Shopee allows you to use your Google account. So, after clicking on login, select the option to sign in with Google. This method helps streamline the login process by linking your Shopee account with your Google account, enhancing both security and convenience. After choosing to log in with Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Click on the account you wish to use for this session. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, this step will help bypass the need for entering your login details manually. Next, you'll see a prompt or a button saying, Continue. Click on it to proceed. This action effectively confirms your account selection and takes you back to the Shopee platform, logged in and ready to shop. Now it's time to check your cart. Look for the cart icon, which is usually at the top right corner of the Shopee interface. This is where all your picked items are stored while you browse. Clicking on this cart icon will take you to a summary of all the items you've selected. At your cart, review the items you've chosen. When you're ready to make the purchase, locate and click the Checkout button. This button will redirect you to the checkout page where you'll finalize your purchase details. On the checkout page, you might want to verify or change your delivery address. Look for an option or a button saying Change near your shipping details. Clicking on this allows you to edit or choose a different delivery address for this particular order. For payment options, scroll until you find Cash on Delivery. This is crucial as selecting COD means you'll be paying for your items in cash when they arrive at your doorstep. It's a preferred method for those who might not have access to electronic payments or simply prefer the traditional way. Lastly, after selecting COD as your payment method, all that's left is to confirm your order. Look for the Place Order button. This is usually found at the bottom of the checkout page. Clicking on this button finalizes your transaction. You've now successfully placed an order on Shopee using the Cash on Delivery option. And that, folks, is how you can easily make a purchase on Shopee using COD. Remember, always review your order details before finalizing to ensure that everything from your address to your orders is correct. Happy shopping and see you in our next video for more helpful tips and tutorials.